Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make red potato salad. I'm just going to scrub these potatoes to get any dirt off of them. Just use the stiff vegetable brush. You want to clean these because we are going to be eating the skin. I'm not peeling these potatoes. I usually don't like peels in my potato salad, but my family does, so I'm really making this for them. I'll wash these and then cook them. The water's come to a boil. Now I'll add the whole potatoes that I've washed. Also add some salt. Cook them until tender, about 20 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, prepare the other ingredients. Hard-boiled eggs, I'll chop them into small pieces. Mayonnaise, minced red onion, celery diced small, prepared brown mustard, a little bit of garlic powder, and some sweet relish. I'll also use a little bit of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or white vinegar is fine. To give the vegetables some flavor while the potatoes are cooking, what I like to do is put them in a bowl. The onion, celery, bit of salt, and the vinegar. And give it a mix. Check the potatoes, stick a knife in it, and if it goes in cleanly, they're cooked. My potatoes took about 20 minutes. I'll drain these and cool them a little bit until they're warm enough for me to cut them up. The potatoes are still hot. I'm going to add them in. Salt and fresh ground black pepper. Give it a mix. You don't want to break the potatoes, just mix it gently. I'll leave the potatoes to cool and then add the rest of the ingredients. Now the potatoes are cool. I'm going to add the mustard and relish and the garlic powder, mayonnaise. Give this a mix. Once that's mixed in, we'll add the eggs chopped up. Taste this and adjust the salt if you need to. It's absolutely perfect. I don't need to add anything. The tanginess of the vinegar and mustard, the sweetness of the relish, creaminess of the eggs and mayo, you get a little crunch from the onions and celery. It's absolutely perfect. It's best to cover this and refrigerate it for at least an hour. Lets all the flavors come together and it'll just taste better. If you want a little bit more green, you can add some finely sliced scallions. When you're ready to serve it, if you sprinkle a little paprika on top, it looks very pretty and tastes good. If you want to make a really good red skin potato salad, give this recipe a try. Everyone will love it. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.